How to pack bug out bags for kids. Hey everyone, Rob Crossman here from Total Prepping, and welcome to the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to prep a bug out bag for kids. So if you're ready, let's get into the good stuff. Many preppers make the mistake of packing only 2 bug out bags for the adults. All of the children's items are included in these 2 bags, and the kids have nothing to carry because the adults are in charge. This does not have to be the case. You see, if your kid is 5 years old and above, he or she will be able to walk and carry their own little bug out bags. While they don't need to carry every item of theirs, they can still shoulder some of the weight. The important point to note is that you only want to keep a few essential items in your child's bag. This will keep the bag light and not tire them out. It will also ease some of the burden on your shoulders. So, what do you include in your child's bug out bag? Well, you want to pack items such as a few of their favorite toys, games, and books, some clothes for them, a water bottle and water to last them at least 72 hours, some wet wipes and band-aids, a toothbrush and toothpaste, and a laminated card with emergency contact numbers and their home address on it, and at least food for 3 days like cereal bars, crackers, peanut butter, freeze-dried fruit, etc. And don't forget a poncho or raincoat, as well as some medication that they may need. All of the items I just listed are lightweight, but still essential for the child. If you have 3 children, just carrying all their items and lugging all their weight will be enough by the end of the day to make you crawl. By distributing the load amongst them, everyone will share their responsibility, and your life will be easier and less draining. When preparing, it's important that you pack the bag and let your child carry it and walk around with it. This will help them get used to carrying the bag, and it should feel comfortable to them, and the weight shouldn't be too cumbersome. A few key pointers to always bear in mind. Children tend to have weaker joints and less stamina. Keep the bags lighter and take them hiking or walking often to build up their strength and endurance. They don't need a lot of equipment to carry in their bags. Children don't have to carry maps, flashlights, batteries, etc. They only need to carry what they will use. And whatever you do not pack some of your heavy equipment in their bags. One of the goals is to let the child feel responsible for themselves while carrying their own bags. Usually, kids enjoy being given the responsibility, and it will all feel like an adventure to them. You want to make it fun to them so they'll enjoy it and they won't mind doing it. Survival scenarios are often bleak and depressing. As a parent, if you can keep your kids' spirits up, they'll be easier to manage, and as a family, you'll cope a lot better in a survival scenario. They don't need a large, huge bag like the adults need. Just one small enough to hold whatever they need. In fact, in most cases, a school backpack will do just fine to hold what they need. Just remember and make sure that it's waterproof or water resistant. At the end of the day, what you pack in your child's bag will depend on your child's needs. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to this. Different children and kids have different needs. Some like handheld video games, while others prefer reading. Some love chocolate bars, while others prefer M&Ms. Your job as a parent is to pack not only what they need, but also include a few items that they want and love. The main thing I want you to take away from this video is to strike a balance and pack wisely. Okay, well, that's all I got for today, and I hope you enjoyed today's video on how to pack a bug out bag for kids. So if you like today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your prepping and survival peeps out there. And as always, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe and tick that bell notification so you can get notified when I release a video. I am releasing videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Rob Crossman from Total Prepping, Have a great day or night wherever you are. Take care and God bless.